TechEmpire presents the top 5 best full-frame camera in this year. These are handpicked based on the prices, customer reviews, and our personal opinion. If you want updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 1. Olympus OM5 Mark III Black Body. The OM5 Mark III is compact, lightweight and comfortable, made for roaming the biggest cities to the smallest villages and even the most remote destinations on Earth. Equipped with a range of pro technologies like 30 frames per second sequential shooting, 121-point all-cross-type phase and contrast detection AF, 5-axis in-body image stabilization, and 50MP high residential shot mode, this camera is able to capture stunning images on the go, making it the perfect travel companion. Enjoy versatile shooting features like Pro Capture, Live Composite, Focus Stacking, and Anti-Flicker shooting. The EM5 Mark III is at the center of an expansive system of lenses and accessories, making it seamless to build the ultimate system for you. The EM5 Mark III. All you need to break free from heavy gear and see the world. Features: portable, weather-sealed design. 121-point all-cross-type on-chip phase detection AF. Compact, in-body 5-axis image stabilization, up to approximate 5.5 EV steps of compensation. 50MP tripod high-res shot. 20MP live MOS sensor. Image stabilization, sensor shift. Video capture resolution, 2K DCI 1080p. Viewfinder type, LCD. Number 2. Sony Alpha 7C Full-Frame Compact Mirrorless Camera Kit. The world's smallest and lightest full-frame camera without compromise. Featuring 24.2MP 2 backside illuminated sensor, 4K Movie 3 with full pixel readout, flip-out LCD, and 5-axis in-body image stabilization. Ideal for every photographer on the go and perfect for vlogging. Features: world's smallest and lightest full-frame camera with world's smallest and lightest full-frame standard zoom lens. Advanced 24.2MP 2. Back illuminated 35mm full-frame image sensor. 4K Movie 3W/full pixel readout, no pixel binning or crop, and HDR4. 15 stops dynamic range, 14-bit uncompressed RAW, ISO 650 to 204,800. 693 phase detection/425 contrast AF points W/93% image coverage. Video capture resolution, 2160p. Number 3. Nikon Z6 Full-Frame Mirrorless Camera Body. The all-around camera for those seeking an ideal balance between resolution, speed, and low-light performance. 12 frames per second 12-bit RAW or JPEG shooting. 4K Ultra HD video with full pixel readout. Brilliant low-light performance up to ISO 51/200 native. All combined with the advantages of a lightweight mirrorless design, a revolutionary new full-frame lens mount and matched lenses, and seamless integration with Nikon DSLR system including the F-mount Nikkor lenses you love. The Z6 is a camera that works as hard as you do. The Z6 is perhaps the most adaptable camera we've ever created. It's at the sweet spot of speed, resolution, and low-light performance. All combined with the advantages of a lightweight mirrorless design, a revolutionary new full-frame lens mount with matched lenses, and seamless integration with Nikon DSLR system including the F-mount Nikkor lenses you love. This is mirrorless versatility as only Nikon could create. Features: large, full-frame Z mount for revolutionary optical performance. Nikon Design 24. 5MP backside illuminated image sensor. 273-point on-sensor phase detect AF system. Up to 12 frames per second, 4K Ultra HD video, 6K time-lapse, 1080p/120fps slow motion. Compatible with Nikkor Z lenses, over 360 f-mount Nikkor lenses. Number 4. Canon EOS R Mirrorless Full-Frame Camera Vlogging Camera 4K, Content Creator Camera. The EOS R combines a redeveloped lens mount and an updated full-frame image sensor for a unique and sophisticated multimedia camera system. Revolving around the new RF lens mount, the EOS R was created to be the means to make the most of a new series of lenses and optical technologies. Features: 30.3 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor and Digic 8 image processor. Dual-pixel CMOS AF with 5,655 manually selectable AF points. 4K 30p with Canon log and 10-bit 4:2:2 HDMI output, dust and drip resistant. Built-in EVF with 3.69 million dots, vari-angle touchscreen LCD, and dot matrix LCD panel. Magnification approximate 0.76, with 50mm lens at infinity 1:1. Number 5. Panasonic Lumix S1H digital mirrorless video camera, with 24.2 full-frame sensor. The Lumix S1H is a full-frame mirrorless camera for film production scaled to a handheld design. Without compromising professional-level standards, it offers extensive recording modes and cinematic image quality to meet the high demands of today's creators with superior functionality that slots effortlessly into the professional workflow. The S1H is also designed for active filming in the field when attached to a gimbal or drone. A newly developed 24.2 megapixel full-frame image sensor complies with the new dual native ISO. In combination with the optimum signal processing by Venus engine, it achieves high sensitivity and minimum noise. The Lumix S1H provides 14+ stops of dynamic range, which is as wide as those of cinema cameras, and Vlog/V gamut compatible with popular calorimetry called Verica Look. What makes the Lumix S1H a special camera is an unlimited recording time in all recording modes, thanks to unique heat dispersion technologies, HDR, high dynamic range in HLG, hybrid log gamma for 2-10-bit internal recording and output through HDMI. Anamorphic 4:3 modes are also available, together with a variety of practical tools for film making such as tally lights, a waveform monitor, and a Vlog View Assist function, LUT viewer. The Lumix S1H full-frame mirrorless camera system adopts the L-mount system to provide users with a diverse and future-proof range of products. Currently, more than 46 interchangeable lenses, including 11 or more Lumix S/S Pro lenses, are available, or will be available from Panasonic, Leica, Camera, and Sigma to choose from, and a variety of mount adapters/converters further expand the opportunities to use even more lenses. The L-mount thereby opens up an almost limitless spectrum of new creative possibilities. The Lumix S1H combines cinema industry performance refined by Panasonic with the high mobility and functionality of Lumix mirrorless cameras.